Fascinating facts about astronauts. 1. Astronauts grow taller in space. In microgravity, astronauts can gain up to 2 inches, 5 centimeters in height, because their spines stretch out. However, they return to their normal height after coming back to Earth. 2. Space smells like burnt metal and steak. When astronauts take off their helmets after a spacewalk, they often report a distinct smell described as a mix of welding fumes, gunpowder, and seared meat. 3. Their suits take hours to put on. A full spacesuit, called an extravehicular mobility unit, EMU, takes about 45 minutes to put on, plus hours of preparation to ensure it's safe for spacewalks. 4. Astronauts have to learn Russian. Since NASA collaborates with Roscosmos, Russia's space agency, astronauts must learn Russian to operate the Soyuz spacecraft and communicate with Russian crew members. 5. They can't cry properly in space. Without gravity, tears don't fall. Instead, they form bubbles and stick to the astronaut's face, making crying in space a messy experience. 6. They train underwater for spacewalks. The best way to simulate microgravity on Earth is in NASA's Neutral Buoyancy Lab, a giant pool with a full-scale replica of the ISS where astronauts practice spacewalks in scuba gear. 7. Astronauts can see 16 sunrises and sunsets a day. The International Space Station, ISS, orbits Earth every 90 minutes, meaning astronauts witness 16 sunrises and 16 sunsets every day. 24 hours. 8. Space changes their taste buds. Many astronauts say food tastes bland in space because fluid shifts in their bodies cause nasal congestion, making it harder to taste. That's why they love spicy food. 9. Astronauts have to exercise for 2 hours daily. Without gravity, muscles and bones weaken quickly, so astronauts run, bike, and lift weights on specially designed space gym equipment to prevent muscle loss. 10. Their pens can write. Upside down, but so can pencils. NASA spent years developing the Fisher Space Pen, which works in zero gravity, underwater, and extreme temperatures. Meanwhile, Soviet cosmonauts simply used pencils. Astronauts endure extreme training, strange experiences, and mind-blowing challenges, making space travel one of the most demanding yet exciting adventures in human history.